Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make a paper boomerang easily. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now your paper boomerang will look like this when you're done. Now there are lots of complicated ways to do this, but I'm going to show you a very easy way. As you can see, we're starting off with a blank sheet of paper, and it's just regular printer paper, and it's in landscape mode, so it's wide, as you can see. We're going to take it and we're going to fold it in half. So we're going to fold it like this, okay? Fold it like that. Try and get it as straight as you can, because it'll make it a little bit better when it's done. Now a lot of people will go and will cut half of this off because we really only need one half of it, but I'm just going to leave it folded like that. It just removes a step from the process by leaving it folded. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to fold it again in half once again, okay, just like that. So right now we have this wide and thin piece of paper over here, okay. Now at this point we're actually going to be taking this one more time, and we're going to unfold it right here. We're going to take this bottom portion, fold it to the middle line, as you can see right there, that we created. Just like that. Try and make it nice and straight as possible. Just like that. Then take this portion right here, fold it to the middle line, as you can see right there. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it in half one more time. So we're keeping the flaps on the inside because that just allows it to be nice and contained. There won't be any flaps sticking out. So take it and fold it like that along that crease. We now have this nice and thin, really wide but really thin sheet of paper. We're almost done making the boomerang. What we want to do now is fold it in half this way, okay? But we're not going to fold it directly in half. We're going to go slightly beyond half, because if we fold it directly in half, when we create the boomerang, it's going to be uneven. So instead of folding it directly in half, take the paper and make one side protrude a little bit more than the other side like that, and create your crease right there, okay? Then we're going to unfold it, and what we're going to do now is we're going to use that uneven crease to create an angled fold. So the crease is right over here. I'm going to take the longer side and I'm going to angle the longer side. So this is the longer side right here. I'm going to take it and I'm angling it like this, okay, along that crease. And right here, you have your paper boomerang. Now what you can do at this point is you can actually get some glue. You can put some glue there and glue it down. But even if you don't glue it down, there it is. And like I said, you can experiment with where you're going to be creating that angle to make it perfectly straight. And you can even change the angle if you want. So I can fold it like that if I wanted to, or like that. But at the end of the day, that's how to make a paper boomerang easily. It's an easy process, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.